Tired of overpaying for cell service? Let's dive into a head-to-head battle. US Mobile versus Mint Mobile. First up, US Mobile. They shine with their flexible, custom plans. You can pick exactly how much data, talk, and text you need. Step 1. Head to their website and use their plan builder. Step 2. Choose your data amount, starting from a very small amount all the way up to unlimited. Step 3. Decide if you need talk and text, or just data. Perfect if you're a light user, or need a specific data amount for your smart devices. Now, let's check out Mint Mobile. Their game is prepaid, tiered plans, meaning you pay upfront for a set amount of time, usually 3, 6, or 12 months. Step 1. Visit Mint Mobile's website and look at their plan options. Step 2. Choose from 5 GB, 15 GB, 20 GB, or unlimited data. Step 3. Remember, the longer the commitment, the cheaper your monthly price becomes. It's a great way to save if you know you'll need the service long-term. Coverage is crucial. Both US Mobile and Mint Mobile rely on the mobile network. So, Step 1. Check T-Mobile's coverage map on their website to make sure you have solid coverage in your area. Step 2. Keep in mind that while both use the same network, data prioritization can sometimes differ, potentially impacting speeds during peak times, especially on unlimited plans. Customer service counts. US Mobile generally receives praise for its responsive support. They offer multiple channels like chat, phone, and email. Step 1. Test out both their help centers and review their user rating. Step 2. Mint Mobile mainly uses online support, so keep that in mind if you prefer speaking to someone directly over the phone. Now that you know about coverage, plan, and support, which one will you choose?